just wanting to go over my Valentino haul. It's pretty small compared to the other ones I've done on my channel, but I picked up all of the glow pigments that they just came out with. So it's 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, and 185. I will say when I got these, this one was open a little bit. Like, I didn't lose any. I feel like it's just like the dust that sits around the neck of the container, so it was okay. And then I also got the rest of the cover powders. I bought Hidden Pleasure, N Boujee, Princessita, Lustrous Pink, and I picked up Crystal Clear. I really wanted to get this in the 8.5 ounce, but unfortunately it just was not in stock, and I kept waiting and waiting, but I decided I didn't want to wait for it anymore. I just wanted to go ahead and get it because I do have my Mia Secret, so it's fine. Okay, those are all the powders that I got. Aside from that, I did pick up their nail liquid because I did say I was going to be doing a, like, sort of like battle of the brands, so like Valentino versus Mia Secret, and I finally was able to get my hands on the liquid, so that video will be out soon. So yeah, just then look out for that, and yeah. And then the other thing I picked up was some of the Valentino nail forms. I was low on nail forms, and I really need to buy some more. So I picked these ones up because I normally get the Nail Supply Glamour ones, but they have not been in stock at all, and I really need my forms. So I'm going to try these, and they were suggested by one of the Valentino ambassadors. You guys probably are sick of me mentioning her, but the nail doctor. So yeah. Okay, everyone. So the first thing we're starting out with is N Boujee. And I will show you all what color I pick up each time. So you'll see me sort of picking up the container and showing you the name on the side, just like I did here. And yeah, so essentially from there, we'll just go ahead and move on, and you'll see me just do the same thing for all the other colors, including the glow powders. And towards the end of the video, I'll come back with my commentary about how I feel about the colors and everything. So yeah, just keep watching. I did want to note that this next color coming up, this was the only one that was sealed. So I was just kind of interested. I don't know, that was just weird to me considering when I bought the colors before, especially the cover powders, all of them came sealed, and also the other pigment powders. So I don't know why these weren't sealed specifically. Maybe that's something, it was just like an oversight or something, but yeah, that was just kind of weird. So that's that. And then I also will say, if you are going to buy anything from Valentino, I would say definitely give their cover powders a try, because I think that's what really makes their brand, is their cover powders, if I'm being honest. That, and also the dust collector, because you know, it's like everybody wants the Valentino dust collector. So, but really their cover powders is, I think, is what makes them. And in regards to their like pigment powders, I would say, like, compared to other brands, their pigment powders are super pigmented. Like, it's just a lot of pigment, whereas other brands, it's not as much pigment. So you kind of do want to definitely encapsulate their pigment powders, otherwise you're liable to file away the color. And I also will say, sometimes it can be difficult to ombre with some of their pigment colors, some of their pigment powders, just because you have to be really careful what colors you put together, and really make sure that one isn't like too, like, one isn't way more pigmented than the other, just because you, like, the ombre won't be there. So just to keep that in mind. And I mean, even when you are doing ombre, you kind of want to do it where your colors complement each other. Like, you don't want to put two colors together that are not going to go. Like, I'm sorry, like doing like a hunter green and a bright orange, that doesn't go. It's not going to work. It's not going to look good on the nail. And that's when you see people who have, like, do ombre, but it looks bad. Like, it doesn't look like it transitions well. You really want to have colors that will fade into each other. Like, a yellow is going to fade into an orange. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. And an orange will fade into a yellow, because they're like gradual steps to get to the next color, if that makes sense. So that's kind of how I think about what the best way to do ombre really is. So just keeping that in mind as well. So yeah. And then I will say with these powders, I know that in my last Valentino powder haul, where I got the floral pastel collection, sorry, it was not floral, the flower pastel collection, it was kind of an issue. So actually, one of you all actually pointed it out to me. I don't know why I didn't notice it before. I think I was just like so excited to have gotten all my stuff, and I really didn't bother to check. But quite a few of the colors did actually look the same. And since speaking with my subscriber on that video, I did go ahead and send them an email. They haven't gotten back to me at all yet. I think it's been about a week and a half. So with that, I don't know. With that being said, but I did check these and compare them to what I saw online, and these were actually true to the color that was online. So I think definitely with the flower pastel collection that I received, I think that was definitely a like warehouse issue or whatever they sent out to me, and I just ended up with colors that were the same. So I'm not really like happy about that. Other than that, their customer service has been fairly great. Like, I haven't had any other issues except for that. So yeah, we'll see if anything else happens like that down the road in the future. But I am really happy with the colors that I received here. It's definitely colors I didn't already have in my collection, and the fact that they're glow colors is even better. Also, I did order a white glow powder, and you should see it soon whenever it gets here. But I ordered it from, I think it's like GB Beauty Box. I'll try to go look at the name, and then I'll put it somewhere on the video so you all can see it there. But I did order those, or that powder, and then I also got some of her fairy dust powders. So I'm excited to get those in the mail and really try out the powder, the glow in the dark powder that glows white, because I kind of want to do like a French or something with it. I don't know. I'm going to play around with it and see what I want to do with it. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. So yeah, y'all, I feel like I've been talking forever. So I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a break and let y'all just enjoy the video. Okay, and then right here, all I'm doing is putting the swatches in the lamp just to get them a quick charge. And I charge them in about 60 seconds. And then the next clip, you'll see where I take them out the lamp and I just give you my final thoughts on the glow powders. Here we are, we're back. And this is what the colors look like. They do look true to what it is online. So yeah, I'm fairly impressed. It is actually daylight outside and I do have my windows open, so the fact they're glowing this strongly is really nice. I'm going to take these into the bathroom real quick and we're going to see how these swatch in the dark. Okay, and this is in the dark. So yeah, these swatch, like these are really nice glow colors, because I have seen some gels, not some gels, some powders, some glow in the dark ones that you can barely see in the dark. So I really do like how bright these are. So yeah, I do give these a pass, and I hope you all liked and enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. All right, bye.